Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW Z4 versus Mustang GT. We'll explore their core characteristics, helping you understand what each vehicle brings to the road. The Z4 emphasizes a premium open-top driving experience with sophisticated handling. Conversely, the Mustang GT delivers raw power and an iconic American muscle car feel. Let's dive into the details to see which one aligns with your driving preferences. When it comes to performance, these cars diverge significantly. The BMW Z4, even with its six-cylinder engine, focuses on balanced dynamics and precise steering, making it a joy on winding roads. The Mustang GT, however, is all about that robust 5.0-liter V8, delivering exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling exhaust note. It's a classic muscle car experience versus refined European sportiness. Inside, the BMW Z4 presents a luxurious cabin with high-quality finishes and intuitive infotainment systems. You'll find a blend of comfort and cutting-edge technology. The Mustang GT's interior is more performance-oriented, yet still comfortable, with a focus on driver engagement and available digital displays. While both are two-seaters, the Z4 often feels a bit more upscale in its appointments. Ultimately, choosing between the Z4 and Mustang GT depends on your priorities. If you seek a refined, open-top luxury sports car with agile handling, the Z4 is an excellent choice, though it typically comes with a higher price tag. For raw V8 power, iconic styling, and a more accessible entry point, the Mustang GT is hard to beat. Both offer incredible driving fun. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.